Parang personal.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into five. Oh, wait. Ilan kayo dyan? Dapat may isang hindi kasama. Kaya na ang isa dyan. Let's go na. Okay. 10 na lang kayo dyan Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Magagaling. Okay. The boat is sinking. Layo-layo na. Layo-layo. Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into Group yourself into four. Labis yung isang grupo. Labis kayo dyan.
Pasili ka.
Okay.
Ang dami na.
Layo-layo. Distancing. Okay, wait lang. Okay. Okay. Magsusolve kayo. Magsusolve kayo ng problem for this next one. Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 2 times 3. Okay, labis kayo dyan na. Labis. Lumitaw na. Lumitaw na. Teng, upo na. Nanalo ka na kanina. Kayo, 7 kayo dyan. 6 ang sagot Tama ba? Okay. Tama ba daw? Sorry. Okay, ito.
iPad ko.
Group yourself into layo ka lang. Layo pa. Social distancing. Layo pa. Yan. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into marinig kami.
Ako na pwede ko.
Okay, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into 5. Pabilis na. Okay, bilis. Layo. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into layo. Kay Ethan, layo.
Sila.
Kasi parang space pa. Ethan, ang laki ng space dito ma. Yan. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 4. Okay, 4 na lang. Layo.
Kayo bago lapit mo.
The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 3.
Baka kayo bumagsak siya sa... Masakit siya.
Baka bumaksak kayo dito.
Layo-layo ah. Okay. Get up. Get up. Okay na yan. Okay. Last one na ha. Last one. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 2! Ayun! Ito ang sariling antok. Sayang, may dalawa na tayong winner. Ah, guys. Sige, sakay.